In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for managing your personal tasks. Clickup is a versatile tool that can incredibly enhance productivity by organizing tasks efficiently. Let's get started and explore how you can set up your personal tasks using Clickup one step at a time. First up, head over to the Clickup website. You can open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Clickup, or simply click on it if you have a bookmark saved. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Login button. Give that a click. Once you've hit the Login button, you'll see different options to proceed. For simplicity and ease, today we'll be continuing with Google, which is a quick and secure way to access your account. Click on Continue with Google and then select one of your Google accounts. Ensure that this is the account linked to your Clickup profile for a seamless experience. After logging in, you'll need to navigate to your workspace. Find the space where you want to begin organizing your personal tasks. Now, this is where it gets a bit more specific. Look for the three dots in the corner of that space. This button typically provides additional options and settings. Go ahead and click on those three dots. Now, from the resulting menu, you'll want to click on Templates. Templates in Clickup are incredibly helpful as they can save you a ton of time by providing pre-structured setups that you can customize for your needs. So, click on Templates, and then you'll see a search bar appear. In this bar, type in the keyword Personal. As you type Personal, you'll notice a list of templates populating below. Take your time to scroll through these options and find a template that suits your personal task management needs. Once you find a template that resonates, click on it. Each template offers a unique structure that can help you organize various aspects of your personal life, from daily tasks to long-term goals. After selecting your template, the next step is to implement it. To do this, simply click on Use Template. This action will integrate the selected template into your current space, allowing you to start customizing and adding your own tasks right away. And that's it. You've successfully set up Clickup for personal task management. With the right template, you can now streamline your daily routines and stay on top of your priorities. Remember, a well-organized task dashboard can make a world of difference, boosting both productivity and peace of mind. Happy organizing with Clickup.